Alright guys, I just want to show that I'm now proxying all of my Usenet programs, Maraschino, sabnzbd, sickbeard, and couchpotato behind nginx. I want to just kind of go over the quick steps. You can always ask me more if you have questions of what I did. So basically the first thing you want to do is you have all your programs running, you want to set a web root for all of them. Sabnzbd already has the web root of just root or of sabnzbd, so I just chose to use the sabnzbd. So that's just built into the program. It'll answer onto that web root as well. Sickbeard, I made the web root /sickbeard. I think I needed the / for some reason. Couchpotato, I made the web root couchpotato. Maraschino, I wanted to make that the root of the web server, but I had problems with the sickbeard module because it was using /sickbeard as like a directory. So then those would be forwarded to the sickbeard, and then it wasn't these API calls weren't working. So basically, like for the picture, they weren't coming up. So basically, the key is to make that Maraschino have a web root too. So I made that web root Maraschino, but I wanted just a straight domain to answer to Maraschino. So what I did was let me show you. I made it. You can see my domain is something.info /Maraschino. So if I just delete all that and I just load the page, you can see in nginx I just have a simple redirect to go to the /Maraschino directory. So so that basically makes it so if I just go to my domain, it'll go to /Maraschino. Let me show you these links. So if I just went to /sab, let me actually just show that here. I'll just click on the link, it's faster. I made these links. I mean, I showed this before, but yeah, you can see it's .info /sabnzbd, and you don't even have to configure anything except for nginx for that. Sickbeard, that one you need to configure. Sickbeard, yeah. And I was having problems with redirects and all these things, like it would redirect to internal IP, and the key is I have these proxied behind Varnish and then behind nginx. Varnish is because I have another web server at my sister's house, which I'm connecting to. I'm remotely connecting to this, just showing you guys. Basically, you need to pass the host and all that stuff through Varnish, and also pass all that stuff through nginx. So I can show you some of those options on nginx. Yeah, so okay, and then let me just show you couchpotato real quick. I mean, they're all the same basically. Yeah. Boom. .info /couchpotato. So now I don't have to remember ports. All I have to remember is the domain name / whatever program I'm going to. Or, you know, obviously I just click these links. It does the same thing. These links right here. Yeah, so let me just show you the nginx stuff real quick. I have the server listening on 80. This is on a FreeBSD jail, basically. So basically, if you're on the internal LAN, you just go to that FreeBSD jail's IP. You'll see that it'll redirect you. You'll be on route, so it'll redirect you to Maraschino. Yeah, and then Maraschino, I've proxy passed to where I have my Maraschino thing, which is port 8000. Sab, I have proxy passed to 8001. I set these ports too. You could use the default ports. It's just before I tried to make it clean by having different ports, but it's not as clean as just having / a directory. That's the cleanest way to do it. So yeah, and I only have to open one port on my pfSense box or on my router. So oh no, let me actually. I think it's something like Proxy. Yeah, I think I made this. So I included this file in all those proxy passes. I just do like include and then put the file name. So proxy redirect off, set header host, that's important because otherwise it'll redirect you. If there's any redirects, it'll do the internal IP, which will mess things up. X real IP, X forward 4. I think you only have to do one of those, but I just did them both just in case. So yeah, so basically you make it so that you can cleanly get to any of these things without having to remember any ports or anything. You only have one port open to the outside world, and everything just kind of answers to its program name. So yeah, if you have any questions, I didn't go over every detail here, but I kind of covered everything you need to do. So yeah, if you have any questions, just ask me. So hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys later.